guys, welcome back to part 2 of hunting season. Thank you for 3K views. I'm really thankful. It's been a few months, I know, but we're doing it again. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so we already are you kidding me? I ain't even moved. So I've played this game a bit. Well, I've played this game a bit without off camera, and I think my goal today is 1 deer at least. So yeah. So it's gonna be really fun. Thank you for 3K views. Now, here we go. I know I said before I was gonna do it, but I just didn't have time. I'm sorry. Alright, now, Crystal Lake. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, and also I have this thingy, and I have a few thousand. So yeah, I've been doing some grinding. So when I get 1 deer, I guess the video is gonna be over. And I'm still uploading more sprinklers. Those sprinklers. That ain't nobody with a flip. Alright, here we go. At least seeing 1 deer would just be just as good. So yeah. So yeah, it's been forever, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm like 5,000 times sorry. Okay, here we go. So I'm on mobile and I don't have any fancy stuff like a computer, so I can't really edit anything. So that's why I'm really having to do this in one shot. So if it's bad, it's fine. But I mean, I don't think it'd be that bad because 3,000 views, and thank you for so many subscribers. I'm just really thankful. And it takes me like 30 minutes to upload the video, no joke, Al. Point dismissed. But okay. Another corn. Okay, good. That's I did all that for them. I don't see nothing. Oh boy, this may be 2 hours. Okay, I'm looking too much. I gotta move. Oh goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay. Here we go. This is going to be okay, let's start. Very big start. Buck. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot, I have to harvest some animals, as you can see. Okay, there you go. But you're gonna go. Okay, here we go. It's still another female. You'd think it'd be a male. That's so dang far though. I don't want to risk it. I'm gonna have to move up. I don't see him. But yeah, I'm gonna have to move up. It's really... I still can't believe 3,000 views. You know, it's my dream to at least have 1,000 subscribers. Is it just end over there? Oh, okay, it's right over there. Alright, so Oh, I see something. Oh, so easy. Get yeah. Shoulder. Oh my god. I'm moving up. Okay, so we got a buck. Oh my. Yeah, that was a male. I mean, it sounded like freaking Shrek trying to get out the bathroom. Oh you know the weirdest thing if it was 2 males? Oh my god, I never saw animals boobs. But I woke up and I know Bulgari. I missed that, I screwed up. I'm trying so hard. Keep going. This is okay. Look, they were running right here, but there's still they're swimming. Very recent. Yeah, we know it's very recent. So could have gone this direction. I don't know. Very dumb decision. How did I shoot? I mean, you can clearly see that was a button. I mean, very good. Very good. I never noticed the grass can move like that. Is that new? Was the grass ever gonna move like that? Huh. Oh my god. It's a baby though. Looks like one at least. An animal. I mean, trail making less noise would make sense if you shot a gun. See a baby. Very weird. Oh my gosh, there's another bug. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna shoot a branch for all I know. Oh, changes directions. I think today we're gonna have to leave it open and then successful hunt. Because I have no luck, of course. From now on, I'm gonna start posting every week. That's a promise. I'm trying so hard. I do not know. Oh my gosh. Spooked an animal. Well, I mean, how come that didn't spook? Oh my gosh, that thing is, it should be an Olympic runner. I had to kill it. Had to. Oh! But it needs to stop running like get off. Oh my god. This, maybe he ran over here, I know that. Very interesting, very interesting. No. Well, I think we're going, oh boy. Well, I think we're going to have to leave it off here, unsuccessful hunts, but it was really good, fun, and see you later.